my YouTube channel, Jonah Jo. I'm Jonah Jo, Indonesian living in Barcelona, Spain. Today, I will unboxing. Why? Because I have 3 boxes. Yes, all of them are from online shop. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up. Also, you can leave your comment in the below. Okay, now I will open from the small box first. Here I have from Druni, and I open already because it's little bit difficult for open. Okay, here I have already, and I will show you what's my shopping from online shopping. Okay guys, first I have this is Wonder Stick from NYX. Yeah, I love this product because it make my shape, my face is perfect with this contour first. And second, I have NYX. This is eyeshadow base. And next I have L'Oreal Gel Intensa. This is eyeliner. Yeah, I bought this because it was discount. Okay, next I have mascara Brow Drama. I love it, but I don't like drama. Okay. Next, this is concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. Then here I have Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. Yeah, I want to try this. And what is this? I think this is bonus from Druni. It's sample perfume from Lady Million Fabulous from Paco Rabanne. And here, look at this. I have two the ordinary product from The Ordinary. This is caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG. And also I have 2 products from The Ordinary. It's same. I bought hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. I love this product. Also this serum, really good for our face. Okay, next I will open the big one. Okay guys, here I have, this is Golden Glow Tanning Moisturizer from St. Maurice, and this I bought same. This is Dark Sunshine Magnifying Bronzer from Australian Gold. Yeah, I need this for summer because I want to look more tanny, because tanny is sexy. This is for me, but for you I don't know. And next, here I have product from Revolution Glow. This is Molten Body Glow. Yeah, I think this is dupe of Fenty Beauty. It will make my skin glowing like Rihanna. Yeah, this is the first time I try this. Maybe next time in other video I will give my review. Okay, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up. Also, maybe you can leave your comment about what's the next I must do. Okay guys, next I have product. This is sun protection SPF 50 from Eucerin. Yeah, it's like a pump. Next, I have Vichy Soothing After Sun. Soothing After Sun milk. This is for cream after sun. Yeah, it's so important because after you get sunbathing, you need to make your skin is calm down. Okay, next, still about tiny skin, sunny, self-tan or whatever, I have here. This is Hawaiian Tropic Satin Protection. This is like with SPF 30. I almost said 30 in Spanish. Yeah, it's like sun lotion or lotion solar. I bought this because discount. It was discount also. It's so simple if you want to put in your bag. It's so simple and you can bring to everywhere. Because I'm lazy to bring something heavy or big. I don't like it. Next, don't forget to buy velvet tanning mitt because it's important too for the applicator for self-tan like this. And okay guys, I think this is the last item in my box, in this big box. I have Carolina Herrera perfume, a good girl. I love this perfume so much. Okay, now I will open the last box. Here, by the way, I shop a lot, right? Oh my gosh. I will open first. Okay, it's open now. Guess from where this box? Before, the last two boxes is from Druni. Yeah, it's true. And this is from morphe. Yeah, I bought from morphe London. So this time I bought from the distributor, real distributor from UK. Okay guys, I didn't buy many things here, only 3 items. Okay, one here I wanna try. This is foundation morphe 2. Okay, in the next video I will review this product. Look at this. Almost same like the shape, almost same like my foundation Clarins. I think this is with Palm. And I choose color Hint of Toast, medium with golden undertones. Yeah, I'm curious how is the result in it. Okay, next I have Glamour Bronze from morphe, and I bought color Big Shot. I don't know because it was from online, so I don't know in real how is the color. So let's see. I'm nervous. I hope it's perfect for my face. Oh, look at this. I think it's perfect for my face. I think so. Okay, maybe in the next video I will review this product. Big bold bronze. Perfect. Okay guys, this is the last my shopping from shopping online. I have morphe. This is product from morphe eye brush, and here I got 4 brushes for little pick me up. Ouch, wait, I think this is package, and yeah, I bought in cheap price because it was discount, and yeah, everybody love discount, right? I hope you enjoy this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up, also you can leave your comment in the below. Mwah! Un besito de Barcelona!